Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. So today is the second color of Days of Disco. All right, we already did O1, which is Luster Light, and now we are doing the second one in the pack, which is, just a moment, this is, no, wrong, other side. All right, this one is, oh my gosh, I have them all. All right, this is, wait a second here. Just a moment. Let me get these right. I apologize. All right. So continuing with um the Days of Disco, we are looking at today it is O3, and they did skip a number. So um this is Beaming Light, O3 Beaming Light. All right. Now I'll swatch in a minute. So I'm on Milani's site, and you know what? I'm probably even going to skip waterline. I'm just going to go along the top and then um, do the mascara. Okay, so I'm going to show you this again. To make sure. Now, don't confuse this with excuse me, hypnotic lights eye topper, which is not the same. We did hypnotic lights eye topper, all right, and this is not the same as Days of Disco. So just don't. Um, I'm going to show you the Days of Disco just a minute here. This is the Days of Disco, and it retails $12.99, on sale for $11.69. All right. All right. All right. And so just to show you, when you go on their site, I would go into Walmart, but it's kind of a mess. I tried to look up the Days of Disco kit, if you will, and they didn't really show that. So um, it is, Walmart does have it. When I went in store, I did find it. So, okay. So what we're going to do, I'm not going to use liner at all. Well, I am, just not on waterline. So I used exaggerate, Rimmel exaggerate in Ocean Eyes, and I think I'm going to stay with that, just on the very top, and then I'm going to be using, I think I can get away with black mascara. So I'm going to go ahead and prime. All right. All right, and in Primer Potion, it's original. So I hope you all have been having a great June. I hope your summer has been really great thus far and continuing. And welcome to all our new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you. All right. I'm going to go ahead and line with Rimmel. All right. Quickly. And then we will apply our topper. And I am not using an eye color because I want you to see, the eye topper itself. I don't, when I'm showing you eye toppers, I don't want to get it, confused with a shadow. I just want you to see what the eye topper looks like. That way you know exactly what you're getting. Alright? If I wear shadow, um, the shadow can get in the way. And since I don't wear mattes, I wear shimmers. I don't want it to compete with the eye topper, so that's why. Alright, so I did this boy on this side. I think the eye topper will cover it though. Alright, so we will get started. Oh, this is why I waterline when I use my black, and why I use liquid is because this. Alright, I think that's good. A little bit more on this side, kind of to fix the line. Alright, good enough. Here we go. Alright, so I'm going to swatch, and this is Beaming Light in 03. Alright, and this is pretty, and I mean pretty. Alright, so I think I'm going to line on the second finger just because it's not by my first finger, because I'm going to be working with that. Okay, so look at that. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Just wait. I'm going to post a photo. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Is this pretty? Anytime I'd wear this, I would wear it alone. Oh, and you know what? Milani has lip toppers too. I don't have those, but I'm thinking about it. I'd use them like a gloss though. Alright, so this is wet. So you saw me apply it wet, and then we're going to get to see it set. Alright, here we go with the other side. We're going to go on the other side. Oh boy, this is pretty. Really pretty. I hope you can see that. Oh my goodness. I got it down a little low. But this does line over this, so I'll let it set, and then I'll just line again. Alright, so I'm not going to use blue. I'm going to use black mascara. Okay, so I'm going to try to line again. Not try, but I'm going to line on the end here a little bit more. Alright, just a little bit more. Alright, so just a minute. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. I did a swatch. This one is set. We're going to do one wet. So I'm going to quickly do one wet for you so you can see it really well. Okay, and you can see the difference. Alright, so this one is wet, just applied, and this one is set. You can see the difference there. Alright, just a minute, please. Just a minute. We're almost there. Alright, one more look. All right. We're going to do mascara in just a minute and our lip, and then we're done. All right, this stuff has a lot of sparkles, so there you can see, gather a little bit of the color like so. I will find another way to do it, and you will see the color. All right. All right. So this is just a little bit of it right in here. There's an area right on these fingers where you can actually see the color right in there. Just wait until you see it fully. Oh, the swatch just doesn't come. I mean, it's awesome. Okay, so we're going to quickly do Great Lash Mascara. Here we go. I'm not going to be using blue mascara. It was hard to get off, and I'm just going to go ahead and stick with black, but I don't think that the black will clash at all with the eye color. Okay, so if you can see the eye color, I will find an excellent way to show you exactly the color that it is. All right. Because it is really something. Okay, so I'm not going to go full on heavy with the mascara. All right, we did that. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit on, but look how pretty this is. Look how pretty it is. All right, and this is Beaming Light. Did I tell you that? Yeah, I know I did. All right. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more on this finger so you can really get a better, you know, view, a better close up. So this is, okay, so this is just applied, okay, and it's going to look like this. All right, just a minute. I'm looking for my lip. So just a minute, because I don't really want to wear what we wore yesterday. So just a minute. All right, so I put it back on, and I'm going to take another photo of it so you can really see it in good light. And I'll post that. But it is just absolutely beautiful. It really is. Okay, so this is our, we're using Wet n Wild today. All right. And it is this. Okay. All right, here we go. So I decided to go lightly with black, and I don't think you can see it. And this is a pink, so I think it goes well. Oh, hello. It does. It does. It brings a color. Look at that color. Look at the color. Okay. It does. It looks good. All right. This is it. All right, everyone. We have the next color, which I'm not showing you. You'll find out. But this color is beautiful. So I will make sure that you see the actual color. If you can't tell it by this me showing it, I tried to photo it. I'll get the photo and then I'll post it. All right, everyone. Oh, that reminds me. The one we did yesterday, it is a pink gold. It's a golden pink is what it is. It looks just like solid gold. No, it's got pink in there. So I will make sure that you know the color of this. All right. All right. I love you all. We have two more after this, and then we're done with this the Daze Disco, and then going on to other things. So you don't know what that is. You'll find out. All right. I love you all. Everyone, have a great day. And I will see you all in my next video. I love you.